Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here. What it do? And today you guys, I have a sponsored video from the company Minooy. So if you want to see what I have, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so here is the company. The company is called Minooy. They reached out to me and asked me if I would like to show you guys one of their products. So this is the product that I chose. Y'all gonna love this. This is the bee's knees, sis. Okay, so let's open it together. The only thing that I did was remove the packaging around the outside, but let's unbox this together. And like I said, what I have is something small, but here is the box. Okay, so here it is on the inside. It just says, thank you, crafted in passion, created with purpose. That's really nice. And it has this little dust bag. This is like a blush pink. This is cute, y'all. All right, you guys, on the other side of this thank you card, it says, dear member, thank you so much for your order. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. We love to hear your thoughts or see pictures at Minooy, and you get 20% off your next purchase with the coupon code. Yeah, that was really nice. Okay, so here it is in this really nice pink dust bag. We can reuse this for something. Let's see. Y'all are going to gag. This is just, y'all ready? Okay. Look, sis, look. Ah, look, sis. This is a beautiful, purple, violet, whatever color you want to call it, wallet. This is 100% leather. Look at the color, y'all. Look at this. It says Minooy right here. It has gold hardware. Oh my God, it's like a little wristlet. Y'all, look at it. Here it is. It says Minooy. Okay. It has two zippers on the back. Okay. Does this come out? No. It looked like it came out for a minute. Okay. So let's open this. This is a wallet, y'all. Oh my God. It's so much room. Look at this. So you have 1, 2, 3 card slots here. You have a slot here. You have another slot here. Then you have this part. Does this come out? Oh my God, y'all. So then you have this, and it has 1, 2, 3 slots. 1, 2, 3 slots. Then you have this side. It has another 3 slots. It has a zipper compartment. It has another 3 slots. Then you have this back part with another 3 slots, and then 2 more opening right there. And an opener right there. Then you have a space for your bills or receipts. Then you have another zipper compartment. Y'all, this wallet is, you can hold everything. All your cards, your cash, your coins, your insurance cards, your receipts, everything. Let's see if this comes out. Girl, look. So all you do is snap this. And then this comes out. So if you just want to run in the store, you can just have this and have like your change on one side and your cards. Or if this is too much, you can just pull this out, snap this back, and then you can just go like so. Yo, this is everything. This is everything. Y'all know your girl loves purple. This came in a lot of different colors as well. I love it. I love this. I love this. So let's put this back in. Okay. I think it might have been in upside down, because the card slots is not, I guess you can put it in either way you want, whatever floats your boat. Y'all, this is a spacious wallet. And then it has the 2 snaps right here, so you can make it as loose or as tight as you would like. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. Is this removable? Let me see. Girl, you can take it off. Look at that. So if you don't want the little wristlet part, you can take it off. This is, y'all, this is the wallet of wallets. Look at that. I love it. I love it. Now, let's see. Y'all know I've been buying a lot of purple bags lately. So let me see which bag this would match. So this is a little bit more vibrant than the beetroot color on my MCM bag. It's a little bit more richer than this ice purple on my Coach bag. Y'all remember when I got this bag from Urban Outfitters? Now, if you want to, you know what I'm saying? You can do a whole monochromatic thing. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all purple at the end of the day. Alright, y'all. One more bag. Oh, my goodness, sis. Look. I mean, it's not an exact match. But, y'all, that's really, really close to my Givenchy bag. Like, yeah, and it has the gold hardware to match the gold hardware on this baby. Oh my gosh. Y'all. That's cute, sis. What do we think? What do we think? I mean, like I said, it's not exact, but it's really, really not that bad in person. I love it. I love that for us. This is a win. Yes. Okay, let me show you all how this looks in the bag. Like, let's pull all this out. Okay, so let's put her inside so I can show you what she looks like inside of her. And I still have so much room, so let me show you. And you guys, I will have this linked down below. Look at that with the gold hardware. Look at that. Go off, sis. I will have this linked down below for you all, and I also have a $15 off coupon for you guys if you just click on the link down below. That is the bee's knees, sis. We love this. We love it. We love it so much. Y'all, like I said, this comes in so many other colors. You don't just have to get purple. Like, it's a vibe. It is a whole vibe. And y'all know we don't just have to use this with purple. Y'all know what's my favorite color, y'all? Green. Let me show you. Alright, y'all, so here's my Coach mini, what is the name? I forgot the name of this. My little mini bag, my little mini tote. This is in the color, I think it's a deep green, forest green, somebody's green. But let's see if this will fit. But it's still so pretty together. I probably would take the wristlet part off of here, but let's see if it fits. So it doesn't fit standing up. It's a little too tall, but it will go in here horizontally. And I still do have room on the side. And of course this expands a little for other stuff. But look. Y'all, we love this. We love this. Like I said, y'all, I will have this linked down below. Alright, you guys, so like I said, I will have this linked down below. Use the link, y'all. Get y'all $15 off. Get you one, y'all. You can carry everything. Everything. You don't need multiple. You don't need a card case and a wallet and this and that. Girl, it all will fit in this one. Yes, ma'am. Your cash, your coins, your receipts. Yes, let's minimize some of the stuff that we carry. Or if you want to carry your smaller bag, all you need is this. So you still can have all your important documents, your credentials. You can keep everything nice and neat in your bag. Thank you again, Minooy, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to you, girl. I love you all so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.